Dear educators, we are excited to invite you to our upcoming online workshop titled, Efficient Data Management for Educators, Unleashing the Power of Google Drive, scheduled for March 16, 2024, at 4 p.m. IST. In today's digital age, effective data management is more important than ever. As educators, we deal with a vast amount of information, from lesson plans and assessments to student records and administrative documents. Managing all this data can be overwhelming and time-consuming. That's why we're offering this workshop to help you harness the full potential of Google Drive, a powerful tool for organizing, storing, and collaborating on documents. By mastering Google Drive, you'll streamline your data management process, save time, and increase productivity in your educational practice. Join us on March 16 to learn valuable strategies and techniques for organizing lesson plans, assessments, student data, and administrative documents with ease. Say goodbye to the chaos of paper files and hello to the simplicity of digital organization. Don't miss out on this opportunity to enhance your data management skills and take your teaching to the next level. Register now for Efficient Data Management for Educators, Unleashing the Power of Google Drive. We look forward to seeing you there. Register now.